Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 19th of April. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened overnight. And from the UK, we saw soft CPI data come in at 2.5%. Basically, it sent the cable down for the second consecutive day. The disappointing inflation figures translates to a lowered rate hike expectation, and investors reacted accordingly, with the GBP USD now currently trading at 142.05, back under that 143 handle which offered so much resistance. In Canada, rates remained unchanged at 1.25%. We talked about this on Monday. It was widely expected. In the press conference, the overall tone was cautious, with Mr. Pollot saying that the economy is not yet able to stay at full capacity on its own, and therefore interest rates may need to remain below the natural range. Consequently, the US CAD jumped with a dovish CAD sentiment. Alright, let's have a look at our chart of the day, and the chart that I found for us this morning is the Euro Swiss. Now, what I'm actually drawing your attention to on this particular chart is we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 consecutive days. We have broken into new territory. Now, it's important to note, typically with this strategy, you may, what we're looking for is just a short-term reversal. So we're just looking really for one day for the market to go to retrace a little bit in the direction of the arrow that I'm showing you. It's important to note that the entire range from all the way down here all the way to the top is only about 200 pips. So it's not a huge range. So typically for this one, our target level may be around about 30 pips, and it's a small stop as well. If it's right, it's right. If it's wrong, it's wrong. Probably we'll just go for a 1-to-1. We'll just go 30 and 30, and that would be an appropriate sort of figure. Typically, if I did it on the Euro USD or the cable or something Aussie US dollar, I might go for 30 and 60. But this one, the range, the daily trading range is not as high, so 30 and 30 should be sufficient. I'll look at the candle tomorrow. If it does retrace today and it hasn't quite hit my target, I may just decide to close it out completely the following day, depending what the candle looks like. But I'll let you know. Okay, so there you have it, Euro Swiss daily chart. It is our chart of the day. All right, let's have a look at what's coming up. For the session that's about to kick off, we have shortly at 8:45 this morning from New Zealand, we have CPI figures coming up. So depending when you watch this video, it may have already happened for you, but it's at this present time there's still about 45 minutes for that to occur. At 11:30 locally from Australia, we have unemployment and employment numbers are due, and then this evening at 6:30 from the UK, we have retail sales also due. Alright guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.